Have you ever wondered what happens inside your juicer? Let's take a closer look at the mechanical process that turns solid produce into liquid gold. Juicing is an efficient way to extract nutrients from fruits and vegetables, but the inner workings of these machines are fascinatingly complex. The primary goal of any juicer is simple: to separate the fiber-rich pulp from the nutrient-dense liquid contained within fresh produce. Inside the casing, several key components work in harmony, including the feeding chute, the grinding mechanism, and the filtration system. Everything begins at the top, where whole or chopped ingredients are introduced into the machine. As you drop produce into the feed chute, gravity takes over, guiding the ingredients down toward the crushing core. The pusher is an essential safety tool, ensuring your ingredients make consistent contact with the grinding elements without putting your hands at risk. Deep inside, the machine uses either a high-speed blade or a slow-turning auger to break down the cellular structure of the food. This mechanical action tears through fibers and tough skins, effectively releasing the juice trapped inside the cells. Once the produce is pulverized, the machine must immediately separate the liquid from the unwanted fibrous pulp. This is where the fine mesh screen or filter basket plays its vital role, acting as a gatekeeper for your drink. The juice passes through the small perforations in the filter, while the larger solid pulp remains trapped inside the chamber. The result of this precision filtration is a smooth, pulp-free juice that is easy to drink and full of concentrated flavor. The final stage involves directing the extracted materials out of the machine through two distinct paths. The dry, compressed pulp is pushed through an outlet and into a container, while the juice follows a separate internal channel. The juice eventually reaches the spout, flowing steadily into your glass, ready for you to enjoy immediately. From feeding to crushing and filtering, it's a seamless automated process that happens in mere seconds. It's amazing how simple mechanical parts transform raw, solid vegetables into a vibrant, healthy drink every single day. Remember, to keep your juicer running perfectly, always rinse the filter basket and pulp chamber immediately after each use.